Everyone in class, and welcome to your maths video on Friday the 5th of March 2021. This is an exciting lesson because of course it should be our last online lesson for you guys, as you will all be returning back to school on Monday the 8th of March, and I really look forward to seeing everybody. So let's end our lesson really well. Let's start off with our arithmetic. So I want you to have a go at carrying out these questions, time yourself, see how many you can get done, and then when you've finished having a go, when you press play, I will then show you the answers. I'm just going to read out the questions to everybody. So, number 1, 4 times 7. Number 2, 3,323. Add 5,436. Number 3, what is today's date as a Roman numeral? Number 4, 2 over 12 plus 13 over 12. Number 5, 5 times 4. Number 6, 40 divided by 4. Number 7, what is 25 millimeters in centimeters? Number 8, what is 5/8 of 16? Number 9, what is 5:15 p.m. on a 24-hour clock? And number 10, what is 36 divided by 3? So have a go at this point. Pause the screen. When you press play, I will show you the answers. Okay, great. So here are the answers to your questions. So we've got number 1, it equals 28. Number 2 equals 8,759. What is today's date as a Roman numeral? Number 3, so V, so for 5, I for 3, so 5th of the 3rd, 2021, MMXI. Number 4, what is this fraction added together? So remember, you don't add the denominators, you only add the numerators. So we know that 13 add 2 equals 15, so it would be 15 over 12, and if we wanted to change it, we could make it into 1 and 3 over 12, so 1 whole and 3/12. Number 5 equals 20. Number 6 equals 10. Number 7 is 2.5 centimeters. Number 8, what is 5/8 of 16? So the first thing you need to do is find out 1/8. Now we know 1/8, so 8 goes into 16 2 times, so that's showing us 1/8, and we need to show we need to find out 5/8. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Or you could do it in the bar way that we've been learning. The answer equals 10. Number 9, 5:15 p.m. It's 5:15, so it would be 17:15 on a 24-hour clock. And number 10 equals 12. So let's have a look at our investigation today. It's called Count the Digits. So we can do all sorts of things with numbers. We can add them, subtract them, multiply them, and divide them. Most of us start with counting when we are very little. We usually count things, objects, and people. In this activity, we're going to count the number of digits that are the same. So there are a couple of rules about the number we start with. Rule 1, the starting number has to just have three different digits chosen from 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rule number 2, the starting number must have 4 digits, so thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. For example, we could choose 2,124 or 1,124 because we are using the 3 chosen numbers from 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, starting number. So our starting number is 4,134. We then count in order the numbers of ones, and then the numbers of twos, then threes, and lastly fours, and write it down as shown here. So the first count gave 1, 1, 3, and 2 fours. You may see that this has continued, so the third line shows that the lines above has 3 ones, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 4. The fourth line counts the line above, giving us 4 ones, 1, 2, 2 threes, and 1, 4. And so it goes on until when? Your challenge is to start with other 4-digit numbers which satisfy the 2 rules and work on it in the way I did. Tell us what you noticed. What happens if you have 5 digits in the starting number? So have a go at the challenge. You need to choose, as it says over here, so choose another 4-digit number which satisfies the 2 rules and work on it in the way that I just did. So remember, the 2 rules are the starting number has to have just 3 different digits chosen from 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could have in your number 2,234 because you're using 3 different digits. The starting number must have 4 digits, so thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. For example, and you can see 2,124 and 1,124. Have a go and see if you can complete this challenge. That's all from me today, guys. Enjoy your lesson, and I will see you all on Monday. Bye, everyone.